Biswajit is sure to turn Tongju into model constituency. Cookies in Moray town observe Cookie Black Day 2021. And India reports 27,254 new COVID-19 infections, 219 deaths. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a self-distance from others even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors, or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often, use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with a bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, welcome to PONYTV. This is CHRISTINA giving you the news in detail. Tongju Assembly Constituency MLA TH Biswajit Singh inaugurated a rural market Imoinukaitel at Kakwa Makha, Namayrakpam Laikai. It was constructed over a local pond under MLA Local Area Development Fund. Speaking at the occasion, Biswajit said several works are being taken up to make Tongju a model constituency. The water and power facilities are getting better. Roads will get better soon. He further stresses on the importance of education and how it helps in generating employments. The cookie in and around Moray town of Tengnopal district on Monday observed Cookie Black Day at the HTC Moray Conference Hall. This year, Moray observed the day on the theme Peace and Harmony. Various community leaders including Tamil Sangam, Manipur Muslim Council Moray, All Community Development Organization Moray, and Gorkha Samaj attended the program. Speaking at the program, Zangmang Haukip, President HTC Moray, said that this year the people of Moray want to observe Black Day for Peace and Harmony. Haukip said he was saddened by the government of India's silence over the demand for justice for Kuki genocide victims even after 28 long years. In solidarity with the victim of Kuki's genocide of 1992 to 1997, all business establishments in Moray Bazaar suspended their activities during the Black Day observation. Every year the Kukis say they observe September 13 as Black Day in fond memory of the families and relatives who were mercilessly slaughtered during the ethnic cleansing or the Kuki genocide. India report 27,254 new coronavirus infections and 219 deaths in the past 24 hours. The Health Ministry said on Monday, total cases have now climbed to 33.26 million, while deaths have risen to 4,42,874. Recovery rates better to 97.54%. In terms of the active cases, the country saw a dip of 26,000 infections in the last 7 days as per the COVID data on September 12. Over 74 crore eligible beneficiaries have received the COVID jab since the mass vaccination drive began on January 16. Manipur Agriculture and Tourism Minister Oinam Lukhoi Singh attended a two-day conference of the Tourism and Culture Minister of the Northeastern States in Guwahati today in the presence of Union Minister of Tourism and Culture, Kisan Reddy Gangapuram. A five-member team of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam today inspected the district hospital Jiribam located at Uchathol. Desam President Namayrakpam Edisan led the team during the inspection visit. On the sidelines of the inspection, Edition urged upon the government to make Ziribam Hospital a full-fledged hospital. Though its condition has been improved in some extent, he expressed happiness over the new condition of the hospital, which currently has 15 doctors, including 4 specialists. As many as 66
full-fledged district hospital amagi thakta masi onkhatpiu masina taba taradi akhoi jiri da leiriba miyam sidesina khudong cha daba adum yumthang nariba state ta asam da tangjabagi film se da dumak masi akhoi leiragani aduna jiri si khara akhoi gi manipur government na hena mijeng changbiri haraga ji ana lainga mari leinaba khudong cha daba mayam singsi ko hannabagi damakta akhoi gi hariba hospital ji district hospital gi thakta upgrade tawbiba lorena madugi leifam thokpa masak mathum mayam ama masi akhoi leihan biu haiba masi appeal si thoi tok.
As many as 66 people of Langmai Thet polling station 33/14 in Thoubal district joined Bharatiya Janata Party BJP today. Hairok constituency MLA Dr. Thokchom Radeshyam along with the president of BJP Hairok Mandal Chaurazit and a large number of party workers welcomed them during a simple function at Langmai Thet. Speaking at the occasion, Radeshyam said, more and more people are joining Bharatiya Janata Party every day because of the development work taken up by the government in a short span of time. Today's event really motivated him to continue his service to the people, he added. He, however, assured that he will work and help people cutting across party lines. Let's take a short break.
Occasion singidamagta makhal kiyagi cake haibadi photo cake, layer cake, brunch cake, barbie cake, fruit topping cake, cupcakes ina chingba fongbidani amadi adomgi apamba mawongda cake customize tawbagi khudong chabasu pisari. Khudong chabasing asi lawbinabagi damakta lensing birau aikhoigi address NG College Road near Nauramtong. Phone number 9864112972. Aikhoigi online partner Food Wi-Fi amasung Food Web tagisu order tawiba yagani.
Kaidowino? Kanano? Kaigino? Kaidowbiyo? Masi pumla. Loi leibidi gari ahanbaga tongba ngamdrabane. Khura laga tongni khaniba ngamai di kaidro. Senbun puthoga leibidi ngamdra. Senbun puthokna leiba ngamdrasu Imphal Finance na salo. Aiju ahanba leingam dadana Imphal Finance tagi loan oine lawri.
Imphal Finance na longmui manungda gari loan lawbi yabdi khudong chaba pijari. Adom apam makhali gari khudingma lawbi bayagani.
Welcome back after the break. Manipur Meitei Association Bangalore MMAB submitted a memorandum on behalf of the Meitei diaspora community based in Bangalore to the Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren Singh for ensuring protection of indigenous people and culture of Manipur. The memorandum prays the inclusion of the ethnic Meitei community in the scheduled tribe ST list and complete protection of Valley district in Manipur like any schedules lain under tribal areas of 6th schedule of Constitution of India. The prayer stated the Meitei is most eligible for inclusion in the ST list as it fulfills the criteria laid down for inclusion of a community in the ST list. Meitei per capita income is very low and comparable to ST Nagas and ST Kukis. Certain protection for Meiteis is needed and can be given through only ST inclusion. The memorandum further stated MMAB appealed to the current Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren Singh to do justice by sending a recommendation to the government of India as soon as possible. Thongam Tomba, younger brother of Minister Thongam Biswajit Singh, today continued to extend help to the needy people of Tongzu constituency. People of the constituency have appreciated the non-stop humanitarian service to the needy under the supervision of local MLA Biswajit Singh. A meeting was held today at the residence of Sapam Kanglepal, a political activist at Nongada under Lamlai constituency to discuss the upcoming 2022 State Assembly election. A total of 157 executive members were inducted into Lamlai Mapari Thongal Loop Executive Body, With this, the number of active members of the loop has increased to 1,125. Toktom Ranil, Apradant, Lysram, Ragumani social activist, Nanda Kamay social activist, and the leader of Lamlai Mapari, Tongal Loop attended the meeting as the presidium members. Social activist Lysram Ragumani during the meeting spoke on the topic, why do we need a political change in Lamlai and the responsibility of youth in such change. A large number of people from Indian National Congress joined BJP under Wangzing Tentha MLA Paunam Brozen Singh today. Paunam Brozen, along with the members of BJP Wangzing Tentha Mandal, welcomed them during a function. Intending candidate of Langtabal Assembly constituency, Pukrambam Somorjit stated his election campaign by seeking blessing from the elders of Heranggoitong, Mutum Leirak 20/1 and Ahong Sangbam Laikai 20/6. He has been planning to contest the 2022 state polls. Somorjit, former BJYM state president, also sanitized the people of 20 Langtabal on various central schemes. Valentina Ilangbam, brand ambassador of Chief Minister's Green Mission, today called on Chief Minister N. Biren Singh in his office. Once again, the top news headlines. Biswazit assured to turn Tongzu into model constituency. Cookies in Moree Town observe Cookie Black Day 2021. And India reports 27,254 new COVID-19 infections, 219 deaths. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News.